We saw a quote once that said, if you don't make time for your wellness, you'll be forced to take more time for your illness. And just walking through the woods now, absolute chilled, having 2 minutes to myself and thinking how true this statement is. We all spend so much time rushing around from place to place with our hectic lifestyles. We forget to take that much needed time out for ourselves. It's not selfish. It's much needed. So I'm going to sit down in a minute, record 2 minutes of just peacefulness, and just watch it. Just take 2 minutes out of your life to watch it and chill and enjoy.